Welcome to the Merriweather Lakehouse Autograph Collection Hotel. This luxury lakeside escape in Columbia, Maryland overlooks the lake and blends modern elegance with natural beauty. In this Marriott hotel review video, I'll take you through the 212-room hotel, the rooms, and everything that makes this sophisticated getaway just outside of DC a hidden gem worth adding to your list. Let's check in. This is the Balcony King Lakeview. We'll start with the bathroom since that's the first thing here. One of the things I don't like is it's just the overhead only. There isn't a handheld, so bring your shower caps, ladies. Then we have, I do appreciate when they do a black makeup flannel though, so you don't get all of theirs dirty. There is your shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, soap, and that's the bathroom. It's small, but it does the job. And I have to say, everything smells and looks very clean in here. You have your closet behind here. And then this is the room. I do really love the modern vibe in here. The metal bed frame. We slept with the night light last night though, because my husband was worried about dinging himself on that. There's drawers on the bedside. There's more drawers over there. So a decent amount of storage. There are hooks on the wall there if you want to hang up bags, coats, umbrellas. And then you have your thermostat for your air conditioning here. Coffee maker. So you have some coffee here, your Lavazza, green tea, English breakfast. Here you have a fridge, which isn't stocked, and I like that. I appreciate that because it means you can put your water, soda, whatever you want to bring with you in there. Drawers for storage in the middle. TV, which is connected to Netflix, so you can sit and watch that in bed. You have your table and two chairs, and these views are beautiful. I will get to that. Let's see what's in here. Okay, you have your safe in here as well, and a bit more storage. And it's clouded over. It was beautifully sunny earlier. It's in the middle of a heat wave here. This doesn't actually work to lock, it just spins. Your lock is just this latch here. We have been having issues keeping that door shut. And then this is the view. I know you can hear the freeway from here. You cannot hear it in the room at all, so don't worry about that. But how gorgeous is this view? It's absolutely stunning. Really, really pretty. And then downstairs, there is a really nice terrace. You can sit, have drinks, and look at this view as well. So really, really lovely location in Columbia. This is the size of the balcony. So they're not private. You can see everyone's, but they're a decent size. There's two chairs, just enough to have your morning coffee or a nightcap. I'll show you the room from a different angle. Okay, let's go check out the rest of the hotel. Let's go check out the rest of the hotel. When the hubby is waiting. There are 212 rooms in this hotel, so it's quite a good size. And there are two restaurants here. Lac Restaurant, which is an American restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We ordered the crab cakes Benedict and the American breakfast. We had breakfast vouchers, but we still had to pay. So take note of how much the complimentary breakfast covers of your breakfast. The other restaurant is Rookery Bar, which has more of a bar lounge feel and lake views. If you're just looking for breakfast or coffee, Osprey Café serves coffee and pastries until 2 p.m. We really liked the outdoor balcony that's on the same level as the bar and reception. It's a really lovely spot to have your morning coffee or an after dinner drink if it's not too hot and humid. Facility-wise, there's a beautiful outdoor rooftop pool, fitness center, and club lounge. There's also free on-site parking in the parking garage across the street. Now, the rooftop pool is absolutely stunning. We just didn't get time to check it out. Price-wise, you can expect to pay from $294 to $1,300 per night, depending on your room type and the time of year. We booked our stay with points as we are Marriott Bonvoy Titanium members. If you have any questions about the Merriweather Lakehouse or are planning a trip, drop them in the comments below. I would love to help you. And be sure to check the description for links and details on how to book. See you in the next one.